Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 1 in class. We will explanation about edit design. I have member Muhammad Fauzan, Muhammad Naufal, and Muhammad Ridho sebagai suara.
Insertion sorting is a method of sorting elements in a container by inserting element into a position that meet the condition. Less than or more than a element at a certain index. The examination is carried out from the to an index forward the position of the self in the to the first index. Selection a data structure is proposed and to maintain collection of text disjoint trace under a sequence of two kinds operation. A link operation that combines two trees into one by ending in X, and a cut operation that divides on tree into two by deleting in X. Each operation requires a log n time using this data structure. Unified algorithms are adopted for the following problems. Number one, computing nearest common ancestors. Two, solving various network from problems, including finding maximum flow, blocking flows, and ionic flows. Three, computing certain kinds of constraint minimum spanning trees. For implementing the network simplest algorithm for minimum cost flows. Set of a character. Sorting data as process to release a set object using certain rules, according to Microsoft Bookshelf. The definition of a sorting algorithm is an algorithm for storing a collection of data elements into a specific order based on one or more cache in its element. There are two kinds of commonly used in the process of ordering the order of rice. That is from the cheapest data to the least sequence down. Descending is the largest data to the small. The advantage of sequential data include a slice scalable data X in phone book or like AC2 correct delete insert or make in sequential discrepance. It is easy compress existing data loss. B. Complex computer program is symbol table sort be start reset speed up the data sort process to be performed repeatedly.
Okay, this is my turn. Substitution of a character. The sorted data varies greatly in terms of the amount of data and the type of data to be sorted. Some of the factors that influence the of a sorting algorithm include: the first is a lot of data is sorted. The second is reminder capacity is capable of sorting all data we have. And the last is data storage, e.g. disk, ribbons or card, or other storage media. Selection algorithm is determined by the data structure used. The method of sorting used can be classified into two categories. The first category is internal sorting. Internal sorting is sorting by using array. Arrays are stored in computer main memory. And the second category is external sorting. External sorting is sequential access file. Files are stored in external remainder such as disk or magnetic tabs. To illustrate it, the sequence with the array, we can imagine all the cards are in front of us so that all the cards are clearly visible. In the card arrangement as a file, we imagine all our cards are stacked so that only the top card can we see the number. Next. Uh, the next, I will discuss about dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is a powerful technique that can be used to solve many problems in time, or for which is a naive approach will take exponential time. Usually, to get running time below that, if it is possible, one would need to add other rights as well. Dynamic programming is a general approach to solving problems, much like to divide and conquer is a general method, except that, unlike divide and conquer, the subproblem will typically overlap. This lecture knapsack problem. The 0 until 1 knapsack problem belongs to a larger class of problem known as combinatorial optimization problem. In such problem, we try to maximize some quantity while satisfying some constraints. For example, the knapsack problem is to maximize to obtain profit without exceeding the knapsack capacity. In fact, it is a very special case of the well-known integer linear programming problems. For example, giving weight and value of an items. Put this item in a put these items in a knapsack of capacity to get the maximum total value in the knapsack. Next.
associated with an item essentially also given an integer w which represents knapsack capacity. Find out the maximum value subset of cells such that sum of the weight of this substance is smaller than is equal to W. You cannot break an item, either pick the complete item or don't keep it in keep it zero to one. Break an item, either pick the complete item or don't keep it in keep it zero to one property. Ridho, that is 2010. Conclusion: Dynamic program is a useful technique of solving certain kind of problems when the solution can be recursively described in terms of statistical solution. We can solve their statistical solution and we use them as necessary memorization running time of dynamic programming algorithm is relatively faster and more efficient. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Thank you for my presentation.